And with that, you now know everything you need to know to build muscle, lose weight, and transform your shape from home. Hopefully, the main thing you've learned is what makes a workout effective. A lot of us find that our workouts at the gym are more effective, but we aren't sure why. Well, the answer is that we're able to really push ourselves, to cause massive damage to our muscle tissue and to trigger a large amount of metabolic stress. When we get home, we just end up going through the motions and don't manage to cause this same damage. But when you understand what it takes to make a workout effective, the methodical breakdown of muscle tissue, the flooding of metabolites, and the continuous exertion, then you learn how you can employ the same methods no matter where you are or what equipment you're using. And once you can train from home, you can train at your very hardest any time of day. That's when you start to see incredible transformations.